expand x minus 3y quantity to the fifth. So let's use Pascal's triangle. Since n is equal to 5, we want the sixth row of the triangle, and the sixth row of the triangle gives us those coefficients 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. In addition, we have that a is equal to x, b is equal to negative 3y, and as I mentioned, n is equal to 5. So now we can say that the expansion is equal to x to the fifth, that is a to the n, x to the fifth, and of course the coefficient is the 1. Then we have plus 5, and it would be x now to the fourth power times b to the first power, so times negative 3y. Then we would have plus 10 x cubed times negative 3y all squared. Then we would have plus 10, which I'm going to write here, plus 10x squared times negative 3y cubed, plus 5x times negative 3y to the fourth power, and then plus the 1, which we don't need to write, negative 3y to the fifth power. Now let's simplify this a little bit further. X to the fifth remains as is. Here we can combine the negative 3 times the 5, which gives us negative 15 x to the fourth times y. Here we have negative 3y all squared. That gives us a total of 9y squared. The 9 could be multiplied by the 10 to give us 90, and that gives us x cubed times y squared. Then, let me continue on the next line, I guess, plus. Here we have the negative 3y cubed. That's actually going to be negative 27y cubed. And when I multiply the negative 27 times the 10, that gives me negative 270. So instead of writing that as plus a negative, let's write it as negative 270 x squared y cubed. Then we'll have plus negative 3y to the fourth, means that we have the negative 3 to the fourth power, which gives us a total of positive 81. 81 times 5 is 405 x y to the fourth. And then finally, negative 3y to the power of 5. Negative 3 to the fifth is negative 243 y to the fifth. And that's as simplified as we can make it, so that is the expansion of x minus 3y all to the power 5.